Got it.
Okay, I didn't know you were colorblind. Come on, give me a break. Okay. Before we go to the infamous agenda, does anybody have any questions? Okay, good. I'm glad somebody said yes.
The calendar, how do you add like something that's not, something that's a special event to your calendar? How do you
Okay.
do
Colors on the calendar.
Okay. Here we go. I'm logged in as the administrator. I'm also logged in as a member. Okay. So let's go to the calendar. You click on the calendar. All calendar stuff is done from the front of the website, not in the back. There is no back end to it. Okay. So I want to put in, let me go to a month that there isn't anything. We'll go to November. Okay, there's nothing in November right now. Let's say you want to have an event.
At Thanksgiving.
Okay, that'd be the 29th, right? No, it's the 22nd, it's the fourth Thursday of November, right?
Yep.
Okay, so you want to have a little Thanksgiving event. When you click on the day, when you click, put your arrow in the day, you click on it, this window will open.
Okay, you went to the front of this.
Yes, there's no back to the
Okay,
calendar.
but I don't see,
The calendar's right there. It's in the main menu at the very top. It should say calendar, above calendar.
you don't have it.
You don't have it.
It just says home, public downloads, free resources, Toastmasters video.
Okay, I'm gonna have to show you there. I think it's clicked out for some reason. Let me fix that right away for you. That's really urgent. Take care of that right away. Go to launch the console. Get to this one here, which is called web settings.
Yeah, just like launch it.
I should be looking for something called
Go
Cell.
all the way to the bottom. And you'll see a whole list of little links and stuff. Little square boxes. If you look on my screen, you'll see what you're looking for.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, I
Is
want to
there-
do that too. Where do I go?
Is there a check mark in the
Console,
calendar?
right?
Don't put one in there.
There is a check mark.
Oh, uncheck it. That's why you don't have a calendar.
Al, big picture, where are we right now? We're in
Okay,
club-
we're at, you launch the admin console.
Yes,
You come to this page, it says
yes,
website.
yes,
You go
yes.
all the way to the bottom. You go over to the far right, grab the bar, drag it all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
And at the bottom are all the links that are already built into the website. And if you look on my screen up here, you'll see that only one of them has a check in the box. And that's the Toastmaster video, because my club, for some reason, my website, I have to get them to fix it, but when you clicked on the video, it didn't take you anywhere. It just kept flashing. So what I did is I just disabled it, and I made I made my own link.
It's working now, though.
Oh,
I tried this morning, it was.
Well, maybe I'll go back. I knew that it was not working, so I took it out.
So we don't want anything check marked.
Well, you might not, maybe you do, maybe you don't want some of this stuff, I don't know. That's up to you.
Okay,
But I would say leave them all unchecked,
got it.
would be my thing, okay? So, now we're gonna go back to the calendar.
Okay.
Okay, we get to the calendar, we're at the calendar, I should have clicked on it again, okay. I want to go to November. So I go to November, I go down to November 22nd, Thanksgiving. You want to type in your little event, okay? So maybe you're having a
He was just saying.
club
Likes the video for
Thanksgiving party, okay? And you might want to put the time in there. You could say, 2 p.m.
Okay.
Then there's a problem with this event URL. It's not working properly for some reason. They've got a fix going on it. But don't even mess with it. It's a one-time event. You notice it says one-time, weekly, bi-weekly, month. Click one-time event. And you're doing this as an individual, so you wouldn't click add event as administrator. Or if you want, if you were, you click on that. What that'll do is it'll change the background color of the thing. It'll come up maroon. Then you create the event. And things go right. Come on, there it is. It just appeared. There it is, Club Thanksgiving Party 2 p.m.
Now, isn't there a way, Margaret found to go to the day, and it gives you a list of all the times?
Oh, yeah, you can do that also. If you go up here, to the top of the calendar, you see it says month, week, and day. You can go see a weekly version, a daily version. There's the day for the 1st of November. But I want to, let's see, go back here. Where am I going? Go back to the month. Click on the November, click on the day.
So if I want this to be, if I want club meeting to be blue,
Then you wouldn't have clicked, then you don't click anything. You just click one day.
what
Oh,
about?
club meeting you don't have to put in. Club meeting automatically will appear when you create an agenda. When you create the agenda for that day, club meeting will show up.
What if you're not gonna use that at all? You're gonna get, that's the elephant, right?
Yes, the agenda. Okay.
That's
If
it.
you're not using the internal agenda, which I really strongly recommend you do use, because it's interactive and it's all kinds of stuff that the Toastmaster can get and all different people get. It's a communications device. It has two forms of communication in it to communicate with all the members. The agenda is an awesome piece of machinery in this thing.
But if you're not using it, then the
Then you would have to
calendar
click
will be
in here
added.
and put in club meeting time, what, you know, and if it's a monthly event or a weekly event, it will click and it'll go into every single, if you do it like Wednesday, every Wednesday it'll show your meeting.
And it goes in as admin then?
Well, it goes in, if you click it as admin, if you don't, it'll just be blue or yellowish looking. But don't worry,
All right.
don't get wrapped around things like that.
Al?
Yes.
So we're under site administration, club website settings.
That's where we were before, yeah.
Right now, where are you?
Right now, I'm on the calendar of events, which is on the which is open to everybody. That's on the
Oh, okay,
homepage.
just,
Homepage is the
okay,
calendar.
got it.
Okay, if you notice, all of the division contests are listed in here for October in this club.
You put that in.
Yes, I put those all in there. Now, all the ones that are listed in blue are created by, these are all created by the agenda. When you create an agenda for that day, it automatically plugs in this little blue bar with the time of your meeting and it'll say club meeting. It's just that simple. There's not much you can do with the agenda. You can put whatever you want in there. I mean, with the calendar, you can put whatever events you want in there. And it's not, you know, I wouldn't worry about whether it's you putting it in or the admin guy putting it in. It just tells who put it in. That only tells who put it in there. If it's in maroon like this or reddish or whatever you want to call it, that means the administrator did it. If it's in blue, that means the website created it itself when you made the agenda. If it's in this color down here, it says your added event or member added event. There's two different ones here. I'm not sure what the heck the difference is between them. I have no idea.
This is something you added and members, anyone else.
Could be some other person. That depends on how you, I guess who's looking at it. You'll actually see it. Depends on who's looking at it. If I put it in here right now, it'll be this color right here. And if you put it in and I'm looking at it, I'll see it in this color over here. But you'll see it on your computer this way because you put it in. I guess that's how it works. It's something I didn't concern myself with. It's not really important to me. I'm only interested in the information. I care less about our color. So that's about all there is with the calendar. Now, let's talk about the agenda.
Should we have a quick?
Oh, absolutely. Take a break. Take 10 minutes. It is 10:25. Be back.